And we're live.
Are we on?
We're on.
We better put a camera on us then.
No, come on. The car is perfect for that.
Oh, no. we need a camera.
Oh, man, we need a camera. Wait a sec. We had a camera somewhere, right?
We have a camera somewhere.
Look at this. There's up in
Oh, we're there. We're there.
It says live in 23 minutes. No, we're here.
Yeah, we're here.
And Richard just came out of makeup, yeah?
That's the
Hey,
one.
guys.
Hi, guys. How are you doing?
Welcome to the old format on a new channel.
Yeah, so we now have Learn Electronics and Friends.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Same thing, a different channel.
Well, sort of. So, a few different. So, first of all, guys, are there any new viewers out here who are not the regulars from the old TC live stream?
I'll get you in full screen.
Okay. Oh, better do something with my hair then. Is that better? Yeah, so first, guys, welcome. And do we have any new viewers here?
I see the old classics. Carter.
The old classics. Okay, well, listen, anybody new, say hi to us. We don't bite. Most of the viewers don't bite either.
No, they're pretty helpful, actually.
Very helpful, yeah. So that's the first thing. The second thing.
Oh, there's one.
Oh,
Marcel.
hi, Marcel. How are you doing? That's like a hand. Do you remember that guy who used to be on the telly, Marcel? He did like this mime thing where he used to walk up.
Oh,
to,
yeah.
Oh, the mime.
He used to walk up to invisible walls. Well, look, he's got the hand.
Yeah.
Hey, Marcel. Sorry, mate. We're taking the mick out.
Warwick, no, you don't fool us. You're not new.
Hello from
welcome to the new home.
Hey, Simon E. Newby, Francis, you from
Tyrone.
Tyrone.
Oh.
Oh, what's that?
Francis is new.
Henrik from Denmark.
Denmark.
Henrik is new too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, and I'm going to butcher his name. Uchi, try this please for me.
Uchi.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry man for butchering your name. We're really bad with this.
Holly Hills.
Yeah.
Hey, Holly Hills, how you doing?
That works.
That works. Was that Holy Hills? Holy Hills. Yeah.
Markus, das hört sich Deutsch an. Hey Markus.
Hey, Marcus, man. Marcel, I'm following the channel for years, but first time here. Hey, Marcel. So, nice to see a lot of new faces and all the old faces. Happy Sunday from Canada. Yeah, it's still Sunday here, Ken.
Yeah, and it's really nice weather here still.
It's really warm. It is really warm.
40 degrees outside.
Back 40 degrees outside, yeah. And a bit humid.
Yeah.
So.
No, it's only 29. Well.
Depends on where you live, I guess.
Cherry Coke.
Ew.
Got my cherry Coke.
Ew.
So, first thing, we moved the stream over here. We mentioned we were going to do this so we can get a little bit of monetization from it. That means we can buy more cheap Chinese crap without having to spend our own money all the time. Not that we mind doing that, but we can
buy it anyway.
We can buy it anyway. Or things like the talking multimeter and whatever.
We can just buy more.
We can just buy more. Yeah, that stuff. Yeah. So anyway, that means I've put monetization on the video. So you're going to see some advertising during the video. Now, at the moment, I've just set it to a balanced level. I have 3 options: light, balanced, and go for it. Yeah. So can you let us know during the stream if you're seeing any advertising and
Springs.
Springs.
New,
Hey, Springs. Yeah. If you've seen any advertising in the live stream, is it too much? Yeah. If it's getting to be like too much of a hassle.
Yeah. Let us know.
Let us know because we don't want to just keep hammering you guys with advertising. And I can change it if that happens. Okay?
Good luck with your CCC, Roy.
Oh, CCC just ordered some. Cheap Chinese crap.
Yeah. Warwick, I'm doing fine. It's still hurting quite a lot. I'm still waiting for the specialist, but I'm doing better than last week. I can walk at least.
We always offer weekend tries. Richard and I said, yeah, we can try to make you better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah, but
it can't get worse.
Can't get worse, right?
Yeah, but I think he said he wanted one of those cute little Thai girls, the massage who walk up and down on your back.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah,
they
jump it up and down.
We can try.
Okay. Make a stream of it.
So shall we do something?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do something. So first off, I mentioned this. You guys watch on my channel the fake MOSFETs. So these were the ones I got from AliExpress, put them in a switch mode power supply, which blew up again. And then having spent like several hours testing everything possible to come to the decision there's nothing else wrong. I thought it must be fake MOSFETs. So I put some MOSFETs in from LCSC, which Jet suggested I should buy from. Can you put that name on screen, by the way, LCSC, so people can see?
You got the thing with the internet thing over there.
Okay, Carlos can do that. And what people are asking about these fake MOSFETs is...
Sorry.
Yeah, you're on
Hey,
YouTube.
why isn't keyboard not connected?
It probably is, but you have to get rid of that.
No,
You're in the microscope.
it's not.
Okay, guys.
Whoa!
Equipment failure. Equipment failure number 1. Just plug the keyboard in. Let me follow the wire. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
That's the wire. It's plugged into something here.
Okay, it's extension. Look, so the extension is connected.
You see number of lights going up and down.
Oh,
No, nothing.
right, let me plug the keyboard back in. And you see
Yeah, now it
Yeah.
works.
hey. Sorry about that, guys. So anyway, so
Dutch, I had a link at the thing you sent me. I don't want to spoil this. I ordered one. Psst, don't tell anybody else.
What? Okay, oh, that's the wrong one.
That's the one.
Yeah, no, that's the YouTube channel.
okay. Yeah, okay, so we get onto the screen. This is the company I used to get the genuine MOSFETs, and they were really no difference in price. I think I ordered 10 and they were about like €1 something each.
The only difference you can see is the shipping price.
Yeah, the shipping was more expensive because, but there again, it was FedEx that got here quick. So
yeah. So it depends on how much you value your time. Pretty much.
well, it depends on whether you want the thing to work or blow up again.
Yeah, no, I've gotten real parts from Ali.
Me too. Yeah, generally have no problem.
But it's a crapshoot. Sometimes they just screw you over. You get your money back. AliExpress is really good with returns and stuff.
Can you go back one page? There was a Color Duino thingy.
Color doing
How do we know?
Let's see.
One more.
That
Look
thing.
at this Color Easy Duino development board. I think I need one in my life.
Hey, they look.
Ooh,
They look nice.
look at this, totally psychedelic.
Yeah, they have full color PCB printing now.
Yeah,
Oh,
They are a little ahead.
but they look like they
PCB
were designed in the 60s and somebody had way too much acid.
Oh, yeah, or a kindergartner.
Oh, and a kindergarten, that would work too.
oh, it's Kinderduino.
Arduino. €10 each. Not bad.
Wow, okay, for an Arduino, €10. Okay, no, I'm not that.
The printing must cost a shit ton of money.
Yeah. This is,
They didn't go overboard on the backside.
No.
Why?
our mission just help engineers. All right. And
Yeah.
there's a
And there's a teddy bear. Yeah.
teddy bear. Yeah.
That sounds
All
about right. Okay.
Fake MOSFETs.
Yeah.
So yeah, I agree. You can get your money back from AliExpress, but it doesn't help you with the thing. It's just blown up again.
No, of course. They can do more damage than good.
Yeah. So anyway, I tested these MOSFETs. Can we get these into a nice close-up, maybe on the microscope, you think?
Well, look at this.
Micro.
You can go for the microscope, but you need to change the second computer thing.
That's one of the good ones.
I'm going.
Get the thing that
On my way.
Chaos as usual.
for people who doesn't know, this is normal.
Yeah. For newbies, this is normal. Okay.
Full screen?
Right click on the screen.
I did.
And,
Full screen projection. Yeah, that
Oh,
was
yeah,
this one.
yeah, okay.
So,
Okay.
the one on the left, which has the nice IR logo,
Mm-hmm.
is the fakes because they just blew up when I put them in the power supply. And the other one, without the logo, from LCSC, I'll say they're genuine, but I will say they worked.
Yeah.
They worked. They worked. So the test I did on these on the video, if you probably saw it on my channel, guys, I measured the gate threshold voltage, and I'll show you now the difference.
Yeah,
But
with one of these.
with one of these. But Detlef asked us if we measured the gate threshold voltage with one of those,
The cheaper ones.
the cheaper one, would it still tell us there's a problem?
I've actually done some testing with one of these I got from Richard gift, and I usually use these, and I don't see a difference.
No, okay. So we're expecting this will show us the same.
Yeah.
The second thing, a lot of you guys asked us to measure the RDS on, that's the resistance from the drain to the source. IR logo should be good MOSFET. Yeah, I agree they should be good, but they're the bad ones, Dutch. They are the bad ones from AliExpress.
The fake ones look
Paul,
more.
you're right there. They probably
more-
make one MOSFET and label them with whatever you want. Yeah, I think the same. Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's weird what you get fake
It's
stuff.
probably just a lower power rating or something. There's still a MOSFET, I'm guessing.
Well, if I just get a marker pen.
Yeah.
So you guys can watch on the dodgy camera. I'm just going to put a white mark on the fake one, yeah?
Yep.
So that will show up.
A light.
Yeah, that will show up well when we're not under the microscope,
Yeah.
so you don't
Yeah,
get
too,
confused which is which, okay?
Yeah.
So first of all, let's measure the gate threshold on these again.
Okay.
Carlos,
Yeah, sure.
Which one do you want to use?
Let's.
well, we need to do it on both if we can.
Yeah, let's do it on this one first.
How does it work?
Let me see. If
One, two.
glare.
Ah,
glare
I
from hell.
can't really get the pins to the right holes.
Okay, well, we can deal with
I
that.
need 1, 2, and 3, and then the rest of them are the same. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and 1,
And then
1,
the
1,
rest
1.
is ones. Yeah, I know.
So I need to get the 2 pins close to each other. Then.
We need some
We need some.
needle pliers or something.
No. We need some of these.
Yeah, those work.
These work. Let's have a look.
Those work perfectly.
No, that's no use. That has a socket on the end.
Sorry. Oh, yeah. I can shove it in.
That'll help.
Socket.
Maybe because I've got some crocodile couplers here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You have
I was wondering where those were.
Yeah, you have everything you need now.
Get the
so-
wires with hooks. Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Oh, we have wires with hooks.
we
Man.
have wires with hooks.
They're
I
in
think
here
I saw them
somewhere.
They're in there somewhere. Okay. Yeah, let's see.
Ah.
Here we go.
Look at this, totally professional.
Ah.
Sorry. Okay. Wires with hooks. Yeah, these work.
Why didn't I think of that?
Okay. You want to keep them together, or can I strip apart 3?
I'll strip them apart.
Yeah, whatever you want to strip them apart, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Just take the 3 minutes all together.
Yep, that's what I'm trying to do. Of course, it's being stubborn.
Right,
Oh.
you have 3.
That should be good enough. And they have small pins.
Ooh.
Do these things have a proper name, guys, or are they just wires with hooks?
I think they do, because when you search for wires with hooks on AliExpress, nothing shows up.
So they do have a proper name.
Yeah, I can't remember what they're called. I think they're
Test clips.
yeah, pins or clips or test clips or something like that.
Christopher says, "And you're going to do a live stream, car guy? What do you mean, Christopher?
A car, yeah. I fix my own car.
Oh yeah, you could do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what the result is. Okay, it's a different firmware from mine, but yeah,
I can't see anything.
seems.
I can't see anything on the camera at all.
Oh,
What?
the camera is not It's not showing up.
Oh, there's something. Yeah, there's
Okay,
something.
so I'll have this at the hang of
Yeah.
it.
All right, we got a.
So it
MOSFET.
says voltage
Press
trigger
again.
Yeah.
is 1.86.
1.89.
Nine.
Yeah.
And that's basically what I saw, but it's also showing the capacitance. Look at the good one.
Okay, let's go over to the good one. Try to hook it up the same. It doesn't really matter.
Have you got one of the good ones there? Not the bad one?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. The one without the IR.
I helped my
Yeah.
stepdad today with a boom trike today, installing a speedometer. Wow,
Let's see.
interesting. We were playing around with a remote car the last time, and we strapped one of our little cameras to this
The
one.
DJI Pocket 2.
Yeah, because we were thinking about doing really low shots, but didn't work. Because it's not stabilized enough.
Okay.
It works, but there wasn't watchable video.
Let's
Yeah.
see what the real ones say.
3.33 volts. And a different capacitance as well.
Yeah.
And
The strange part is I can't see the screen now from my angle. You can see it fine.
and we know that this one basically told us the same difference, 1.8 something. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
So both show
Both testers.
So the testers are fine.
Yeah.
they work nicely.
Now we need to wire this up to measure the RDS on. So
Yeah.
we need.
So that's more of your expertise, Rich.
No, Carlos, you're going to do something
Yeah,
to
no,
direct
no.
you.
You just guide me through it.
Okay,
That's
so you need to move your energy drink out the way, the power supply.
I was on it already.
The PSU is working. Okay.
Wow.
Well, why should it be? What happened?
So we're going to set this to about 12 volts.
Marcel said, what does the data sheet say?
The data sheet says minimum 2.
Minimum 2 volts.
Of the, yeah.
Okay.
Somebody on my channel says the data sheet said 2.
So 1.89 is actually closer to spec.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, Swarm Intelligence. Do one of you guys want to go look up the data sheet for the IFPFZHDO and tell us what the data sheet says about the gate voltage, please?
Yeah. So if it's closer to the actual specs,
It's below.
Yeah. Okay, it's below. Yeah. It should be 2 or above.
I think the problem with these.
Data sheet. Yes, sir.
Oh
Damn, we can't curse on this channel right now.
Oh well.
Shite is
Shite is not cursing.
Welcome to LER supporter. Thank you, Dutch.
Thank you.
I don't know what you did there.
He subscribed or sent something.
Oh, thank you very much, Dutch.
Thank you.
Probably cost him something. Thanks, Dutch. I appreciate it.
Oh, actually, while we're doing this, I have an option now we've moved the stream onto my channel to make it that only subscribers can comment.
No.
You have to, but if you subscribe after 60 seconds, you can then comment. You don't have to wait. What do you? I'm asking you guys. Do you want to?
It sounds exciting.
I mean, it doesn't. I'm ambivalent, you know.
No. I like everyone commenting. Actually.
Yeah, it stays the same.
Yeah. Okay, it stays the same. Yeah. I mean, obviously, if you just hit subscribe, 1 minute later you can comment.
Take your hand away.
Okay, so.
Oh, sorry.
Beautiful MOSFETs and so on.
My hands are nice.
Yeah, that too. Yeah, that too.
Negative from the power supply.
Negative.
One eye on you guys, one eye on Liverpool match. Oh, okay, Jonathan.
We then
have
need
fun there. Let us know how it
that can go to
goes.
the. Let's go to the light bulb.
Light bulb, okay. Directly to the light bulb.
Directly to the light bulb. This is a 22 watt.
Car
Car
light bulb.
Actually, these were for fitting into speakers, you know, like they acted some sort of limiter in series with the horn speaker. But anyway,
it's a cheaper limiter then.
Yeah.
A big resistor.
And then we will need to connect.
Springs on with you there, yeah. The subscription only thing sounds like a bit elite test.
Yeah.
To be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's off at the moment anyway.
Yeah.
That is off. That is off.
Okay.
That now goes to the source.
Yeah. Oh.
Always gate drain source.
Yeah.
Only. So source.
It's always GDS, right?
No.
Sometimes it's GSD.
Yeah.
All right.
I think you can say the gate is always in the same position.
I know it can be GSD because I've blown up stuff.
Yeah, the gate is always pretty much. I'd say the gate's always in the same place.
Gate drains or.
Okay, and then from the drain, we need to go back to our power supply.
Yeah. Okay. Can I get?
You can get all the way to the power supply. I'm just getting one for you right now.
Marcel, mislead is one thing that could happen. Or you got rejects from the factory. That could be two.
Yeah, that does
So
happen.
that would mean you got original parts with the right logo, but they got rejects on the factory.
Yeah,
so the testing they're doing there.
Quality control is not good.
Right.
Pretty much.
And now we need to connect the gate to the drain.
Why is this camera so? Why is this camera so dim? Was it so dim before? Is this a new channel?
The light is pointing
Uh-huh.
down.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a bit dim that.
Yeah.
It should be pointing down, right? Or is it meant to illuminate our beautiful faces?
So somewhere here I have a tension.
Oh, wait.
Oh, the aperture!
Simply
Open the aperture!
I simply open up the aperture a bit.
That
That helps a lot. Yeah.
Now you can see.
Professional
That's up to
photographer.
Richard.
Yeah, professional photography, yeah. And I'm saying I don't know.
Yeah. And this goes back to the
Yeah,
source.
I have some 10k resistors somewhere in here.
Okay. The board here.
Yeah, connected to 10k resistor.
Dutch says, I wonder what they get to fake those components. It is not that they make that much profit from it.
No, I agree.
Dutch, again, when you think of it as rejects from the factory, they simply fishing them out of the bin. So
they don't know they're rejects. They're
Right.
just taking them.
yeah.
Okay.
You can connect that back up to the drain, which is this red wire, the red and yellow over there. So if we power this up now.
And Paul says it's right. If you buy more of them,
What voltage do you?
Well, I have it set to 12 volts.
Okay.
And the bulb comes on. Yeah!
let there be light.
So let there be light. So what you do is now you measure from the drain to source set on millivolts.
Millivolts.
So we have the millivolt range.
Mini volts.
Oh Jesus, I'm getting blind.
Oh, okay,
There we go. That's millivolts, right? Yeah. Yeah, that helped actually. Okay.
so that's millivolts.
Yeah.
That's millivolts.
Oh, sorry. I was reading the comments.
Okay.
It's auto ranging, right?
Yeah. No, but it's on millivolts. If we get the camera onto that, and all you need to do now is measure across the drain source on the MOSFET if you can, because we want it's going to be
get us out of shot here, and then I can try to get everything in shot here.
Drain and
I'll put the white on the meter.
Ooh.
Drain source. What do we have? Oh, we have over
limit. So.
Okay, so I need to up a range. Just give me a second.
Yeah. That's
Sorry,
why
Paul. Sorry, Paul.
That's why I asked if it was auto ranging.
I have to go into volts range.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 volt.
Is that the voltage directly across?
Yeah.
No way, Marcel, man.
1.05.
Oh, thanks, Marcel. Oh,
Oh, hey.
very generous.
Thank you. Cheers.
We will, my mate. Thank you very much.
So we have 1.015. It's going downward.
Yeah.
Okay, 1.015. Right, we'll switch it off. Hang on, let me just set the voltage supply exactly to 12, because we need to do some calculations here.
Yeah.
The current limit's on, that's what it is.
Even brighter.
Yeah.
And yeah, the current limit was on.
Don't forget these lamps get really hot and will burn your
The desk.
Yeah.
Okay, right, let's go again.
Okay.
Voltage across the drain source.
Drain and source. Oh,
1.038.
yeah.
Okay, right. Switch off.
Yeah.
Then we need to connect up the other one.
1.5 amps.
1.038. I'll just calculate that while.
This is on the other machine in some.
Hold on. No, we forgot to do something. Switch it back on again.
Okay.
We need to look at the current. We do.
It's good.
1.5 amps.
What was the current?
1.5.
1.5 amps.
1.46.
Yeah.
Yeah, something in this.
Okay, I'll put that to 12 volts.
1.5 amps at 12.
1.5 amps.
It was paying attention.
And what was the voltage? 1.0.
1.03.
Okay.
Use a talking multimeter.
Yeah.
Who needs it?
Yeah, this is what you need a talking multimeter for.
Okay. So let's do some calculations, guys.
SX man.
Let's
Hey.
do some calculations. So we have 12. We have the current 1.5 amps. Yeah. So we want R is V over I. Yeah.
Oh, I can ask SX man about my Vectrex later. It's the same chipset.
Okay. The voltage is 1.038. Yeah.
Yeah.
So V
let me turn this off.
Before it burns through the desk.
V divided by what was the current was
1.5 amps.
Paul wants to see the thermal camera on this one.
Okay, so
getting quite toasty.
Okay, so that tells us that the drain source resistance
You show it to that camera or to that lift now.
0.69 ohms was the resistance of them. Well, that's quite high.
This is really high.
Yeah.
Right, let's measure one of the other ones.
Yeah, let's measure one of the good ones. Ow.
Is the MOSFET warm?
Yeah.
Because
So Marcel, you were right. This normally requires a heatsink, yeah. And I think the
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What's up?
Yeah, you know.
Everything's warm.
That one's really hot too.
Oh, you touched this one.
Yeah. So which one?
This was the
drain, right?
Source.
This is the source.
Yeah, the source was going from the lamp to the negative, and then the drain was going to the positive.
Yeah. There we go.
And then the 10k resistor goes from up to the drain.
BJ,
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
I thought you guys are going to talk about the comedy elections in the US. Yeah.
Okay.
I get a laugh every time I
Let's
listen to
move this wire because this wire's going to melt.
Yeah, it's going to get
Okay,
hot.
switch it on and measure the voltage.
Okay. I'll be ready
There
with the
goes the
probes.
thing.
Okay, so it lights up.
It lights up.
What 1.3
1.3 amps.
That's
A
different.
little less current draw. Okay. But
What?
3.3 volts.
That means the resistance is higher. You have 3.3 volts.
Yeah, across
Okay.
source and
Guys, are we doing this correctly? Because I expected it to be lower. Okay, let me work it out. So you have 1.0
Huh. Yeah.
1.33 amps divided by, what was the voltage?
3.3. It started at that.
It's
3.25
It's going
now.
down because the part is heating up.
Yeah.
Dee! Hey, my friend.
0. Okay.
Oh, 0.409.
Yeah.
What was the other one? 3 points.
0.
I still think this is really high.
I thought this really high.
Yeah, for a MOSFET, I expect something in millivolt range.
Voltage going down as it heats. Yeah, Paul, I agree.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Milliohm,
heating.
RDS on milliohm, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, voltage is going down as it heats, yeah.
In actual fact, this one, if you notice, the bulb is dimmer because the current is...
No, you can't see this on.
Yeah. The current is lower. Obviously.
That's up to about the same 1.45 amps.
At 13.3.
So we have 1.45 amps.
How do you drive the base? How do we drive the base with this?
The gate via a
Yeah.
10k resistor.
Let's
Sorry.
Let's turn it off so we don't burn your table. Yeah. He's driving it with a 10K.
10k to
10K to the gate.
Volt.
Yeah.
To the
Alright,
12 volt
that
through
should-
10k to the
That
gate.
should easy work.
Yeah. That should. How hot are you? Hotter than the other one.
Hotter than the other one.
Of course.
Whoa, did we get a faulty one that...
No.
Are you sure? Wait, give me a sec. This is one of the fake
That's one of the fake ones.
ones.
And the white markers on the other one.
Yeah. No. And
That's a good one.
that's a
For
good
all the people who doesn't know is this is not scripted. We're just trying this out while we're doing this here. So
Okay,
Yeah.
so
yeah.
let me just
Yeah.
put one of the other
Once
good
it's
ones.
get a thermal camera and check out how hot it gets. We can do this with the next run.
Okay?
Yeah.
We're just on the next slide. A thermal camera.
Yeah, I'm just going to change it out to the other one, just in case if we got a bad one in the batch.
Yeah, voltage times current says Paul. Yeah, of course. Low voltage is the bulb. Yeah.
I honestly thought that we'd have a low resistance.
Zoltan! Evening, my man.
Hi.
Okay, this one is hot. That was.
Thermal camera's coming.
Oh yeah, you have that one. I have my phone with me as well.
Arthur, good to know that MOSFET get hot without heatsink.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I didn't know MOSFET got hot.
Yeah, but I actually thought the drain source voltage would be so low that it wouldn't get hot. But obviously this is not the case.
No, not for this one, at least.
Well, you know, these have a higher RDS on, like, say something like the little one I normally use, because these are for really high current.
Okay. Ready?
But
Okay, where do
I'd
we
still
have it?
expect the RDS
works.
on
Yep.
a magnitude.
So we have
magnitude
1.4
slower.
amps.
So it's about the same at 13.
It doesn't,
Let's put it at 12, so we have a fair comparison.
1.3 amps. Yeah.
1.35.
So
1.3.
So it's okay. This is getting to 50 degrees already. Yeah, of course, no heatsink. So it's not the fault of the part, it's fault of the technician. Let's see, 60. Yeah, it gets really hot. The lamp is getting a lot hotter though. But yeah, not a lot.
60, we got 65 now.
Yeah, it's probably going to top up at 80 degrees or so.
Yeah.
You need to charge this or change batteries.
No switch on.
My Spanish is nearly not even existing.
Well,
Try if this is Spanish.
mide el voltaje de.
See?
That's not Spanish.
That's not Spanish.
That's not Spanish.
No,
Alright.
but I think he wants us to measure the breakdown voltage.
I don't know if we'll... The maximum our power supply will go up to 30 volts. And these are supposed to be something like a 400 volt MOSFET.
Yeah, we won't kill this.
Yeah, it's 90 degrees.
And we've also got the lamp, which is only a 12 volt.
Yeah.
Okay, we can't do that at the moment today.
We can try it next time.
Next time.
We will prepare something else.
SX man, since this is a new setup, I have to set some of you guys up for doing for being admins. So you probably can't post the link right now as SX man, SX64 man. Sorry.
But we can set you up as an admin or
Yeah,
moderator.
we'll do this when
Yeah.
Yeah, but this isn't feasible right now with all the crap on the desk here.
Okay.
It is sometimes, Dutch.
Okay, let's clean these wires up.
Yeah.
And then we have
we need somewhere to put this.
Is that a bit warm, is it, Carlos?
Yeah.
Is it a bit warm, is it?
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay. I think next time we'll have a little bit of fun. We've brought something for Carlos today. We bought something for him.
Oh, yeah.
You know how you have like this thing about vintage game consoles?
Okay, yeah.
Well, we found one at the car boot sale,
Right.
and we thought we'd have to buy this for Carlos.
Well, okay, so it's a Barbie something?
No, it's not a Barbie. no. So it looks like a kind of like it's kind of like a Nintendo
Game controller.
Oh,
a game controller thing.
Yeah.
it could be
Very
interesting.
interesting one. Yeah.
As long as it doesn't have any.
It has a picture of a spaceship on.
Oh my God, what's that?
So we bought this for Carlos today. Here, Carlos, your new vintage retro games console.
I don't know
player.
how vintage this is. Why is it so shiny?
Look at this, no batteries! And actually, you move these little things in
Yeah,
there
so-
with the buttons.
You want to push the bubbles up. Yeah.
Have you got one of these in your collection already?
Yep, Lily has to.
Really?
Oh,
And we thought this
and
is totally
we
unique.
wasted a euro on that.
A
Yeah.
euro.
Yeah.
They scammed you.
No, I offered them a euro.
Cartho remembers those. I have never seen those before.
I've never seen one.
Yeah, they were quite common in Sweden, actually. So Carter is right.
Oh, yeah, of course.
We are both Swedes.
Yeah. Oh, you're good at this,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. No.
What's the idea to get all of the hoops onto the
Yeah,
wheels?
it's practically impossible.
It isn't possible.
But I like the grips. It wasn't that badly designed, actually. It would make a good controller.
Yeah, we saw that and we thought, okay.
We thought, oh, we got to get this for Carlos.
It's extremely obnoxious with the holographic background, but yeah, sure.
So yeah.
EV blog fake ERPF. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. You're not the only one who got scammed or something.
Yeah.
I'll get you on the screen now.
That's so obnoxiously shiny. If you play this in the sun, you'll probably go blind.
Yeah, true. Yeah. No, you can't do this on the.
No, you
Nah,
can't,
it has to be
No,
standing up.
the people are getting seasick right now.
I'm not
I'm
surprised.
guessing there.
It's fun though.
Yeah, considering how simple it is,
Yeah.
it can keep a kid occupied a while.
Well, not your daughter.
No, she likes to pretend she's a YouTuber and records YouTube videos now with on YouTube.
With this thing.
So that could keep a kid occupied for a while.
Put glitter
Yeah,
inside.
20
yes!
Yeah,
Oh,
I have no interest in it, by the way.
Huh?
It didn't affect me.
What? It's
Put glitter inside.
no. It's
Cordless and without batteries. This is totally green.
Yeah.
No-
Yeah.
Not only the cover, I mean.
This was considered a fun toy when we were young.
How old are these things?
I think I had my first one when I was 6 or so. So
That old?
yeah. And I'm 40 something now.
So
I can't remember.
what's the main failure mode with these? Evaporation or?
Nope. A crack in the plastic.
A crack is the main failure mode.
When you rage quit.
Early adopters of Rage, yeah.
What do we want to play with now? Should we play with a modified?
You got the other thing in the.
Oh,
Which we
okay.
didn't test.
We didn't test. Okay, guys, this is unscripted.
Totally unscripted.
Oh,
For
we
you-
have the multimeter.
Oh, we had to have the multimeter, right?
We have the multimeter from the car boot sale.
This was a big haul, was this today? Yeah.
Oh.
A big haul at the car
Yeah.
boot sale.
Multimeter. I like the box.
I saw this when I was looking at a drum foot machine.
Do we need the overhead camera or?
Yeah, we can go to the overhead.
Yeah. Oh, ho, ho. It's an analog one. It's extremely.
Can you?
I
get
can.
The,
I can just
the
adjust
the thing more down.
I adjusted
the zoom,
the zooming, manual zoom.
Yeah.
the manual zoom.
Yeah.
Okay.
For your information, this thing can't talk.
No,
No.
it doesn't talk.
No, Richard has already ordered the talking one.
Vintage.
Absolutely vintage.
Throw across the
yeah.
room failure mode. Yeah, SX64. That's pretty much it.
Does it have a make?
Um,
Systematic or something? What does he say? something tester?
Yeah, I'm not very good at
Scott
cursive.
says in Silent Hill Downpour you have to play an arcade machine-sized water game. I haven't played the Downpour. And
Oh!
Silent Hill is a long time ago for me.
It says super tester.
Oh,
Super tester
Must-
680R.
must be
Yeah.
good then.
But the corrosion levels on this thing is... if you can see in the holes, that's...
The green.
The green corrosion, that means copper corrosion.
Let me get in there.
That's... Oh boy, this is destroyed inside, unfortunately.
Who wants to see inside it?
Yeah.
Who's out for blood? 5 amps. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have anything that can plug into this?
I might be able to find. What's
And
this?
this
What's
goes
this
up
on the
to
side of it?
1000 volt.
Oh,
What the heck?
If you want to die,
What cat is it? Is it cat 3, cat 4?
I can't even tell.
They didn't have cat back in the days. Cats were still
Cats-
Furry things.
furry things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the wheel here is
Yeah.
completely stuck. Okay.
Marcel, we have today something like 29 down here in San Fernando.
Yeah, I have 39 up.
39?
In the mountain.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really hot now.
Not sure where you are, but over here it's a nice heat, so you can stay outside. And if it's a bit windy, and it's always windy here. So.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
We have some leads.
Jesus, he had some.
Okay, try
All
it.
right.
What's this?
Slovakia should be summertime right now, right? If I'm not mistaken.
What's that?
Ah, okay,
connection
Slovakia. Okay, gotcha.
It's still colder than here, though. It's
No, look, it's cold at your place. When you-
Oh no! In Sweden it's insane.
What's
It's
it?
getting cold
You
already.
can ask Arthur.
What's this for? Charging port?
No, that's a
Isn't
power.
it- This is USB, right?
No. Yeah. This is USB.
I'm pretty sure this doesn't have a charging port. Okay, so it has. Huh?
And now this will probably just resistors inside, I guess.
Oh, it opens both sides.
Yeah, I was curious. It's just for parts.
Do any analog meters have real glass so that it's not affected by static? Can you tap it?
Well, we can try.
Looks like plastic.
Acrylic.
Yeah, plastic.
We can try and measure some voltage off the power supply because you don't need any batteries. You need batteries for resistance.
Yeah. So
If we go
where's
to-
the common ground here?
I'm trying to get you guys on the,
Yeah,
onto the
sorry.
overhead. This is not as shaky.
There we go. So I can't really find the common ground. Let's see. That's for ohms reading.
Ohms. There's all these different ohms ranges.
Yeah. But where do you put the black one?
Well, it says low. No, it says low ohms.
Yeah. So one of the ones that are
A
not
lot of
marked.
rain today in 60 C. Oh man.
Yeah, where do you put the black lead?
The unmarked ones, I
Dutch,
guess.
thank you very much. Put yourself
Okay,
to
no, this
photos.
is not going to.
Thank you guys.
Nope. Doesn't fit. I need lube.
Can you say this on this channel now?
No.
I didn't say anything inappropriate.
Remember, lube is overrated.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, true. And lube is actually used in cars and other stuff.
True. It's just people with dirty minds think otherwise. I was thinking. I was
went
thinking.
in one of them.
It goes in one of them.
That's
Okay.
what she said.
And let's
yes, Marcel.
Let's go 10 volts and put 10 volts on the supply.
Okay. Well, that's 5.5
try
volts.
to-
Yeah, it
on the
should be
shaky handheld
up
cam
to
here.
10 volts, right?
Woohoo!
Nothing.
Richard's trying to scare me always, but it doesn't
Yeah.
work. It doesn't move.
Nothing happened.
So
Oh,
it's stuck.
Maybe the black lead's in the wrong place.
Could be.
Try to shove it in somewhere else, I guess. That sound.
That's what she said.
This is why you need lube.
Nope, nothing there. It's really rusted, so it can't be that. It's just
Okay.
not.
Would anybody like to see inside it?
Okay, and let's.
Guys, would you like to see inside it?
I will do some magic then and get this open.
If it's possible.
You need the big hammer this time.
Yeah, no.
Oh, you can't even.
No, it's completely.
Oh, no, you can move.
The guys already want to see blood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuse. There could be Paul. True.
Yeah, but it has oxidation in the port, power port hole. Let's see, where is
Okay.
the freaking camera? There we go.
Let's use this one. Yeah.
Yeah, so it has some oxidation even here. So the chance is it is moving freely inside.
Yeah.
So the
If you shake,
okay.
the needle actually
Shake
moves.
it.
Yeah.
like a polar, right?
Like a Polaroid.
So the needle is not stuck.
We're so predictable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see Carlos screw. Yeah, of
Okay.
course, ball.
No, I'm not screwing anything. I'm just disassembling.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Oh wow!
I don't
that
want
was
to.
easy.
Oh, yeah,
guys,
this is not going to work.
You guys don't want to see this.
Microscope.
Wow.
Oof, it smells.
Oh, dare say.
Oh,
Ugh,
Is anything
now it's getting
moving?
here. Now it's getting here. Take it away. Take it away.
it smells horrible.
Yeah. Try to get this.
Microscope.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to clean out the box first.
I'll just tip.
Just to show you, flakes everywhere. There's no traces left. Okay, so let me zoom. Oh, this is Max. Give me a sec. Hey, why is this moving? Oh,
Dura leak. Yeah. This looks really bad.
yeah, Duraleak. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's.
I'm not sure if the oscilloscope, the microscope is the right thing there. I'll give you. Send
I
you
think the
guys,
microscope. We've
send
all.
you guys over to the microscope now.
Yeah.
Wait.
There's no traces left, pretty much there.
Oh, this is completely.
And it's hand-drawn traces as well.
Oh yeah. Isopropyl on the brush.
This is 83. Can you go back to the marking there?
Yeah. Well, on the battery. No.
The battery is from 2000. No, this is shelf life. Good until, right?
Yeah, good until 2006. So
Okay.
yeah, I can agree with that. You failed
Did you
quite.
get a resize?
Oh my.
yeah, we're trying to get this back to the owner. Oh man, this is so sad.
Yeah, I found the fuse.
Is it gone?
Oh yeah. No, yeah.
Wow.
I don't know what you would call that, but that's crystallization on a high
Yeah.
degree.
This was
Oh!
this was a fuse.
There was a fuse.
Some
It fused itself to the board.
yeah.
This is like a kid's chemistry set.
Okay. Yeah, it is.
No, I didn't know if you guys got this. What you said, this is like a kid's chemistry set.
Ugh, okay.
Fuzzy fuse. Yeah, this is a fuzzy fuse, and this is a Duracell.
Okay, let's look at Duraleak. Yep, it leaked from the top.
Do you sure? No, it leaked from the bottom. Oh, it leaked anywhere.
It leaked everywhere.
Oh, is this the battery?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
horrible.
Oh.
This happens to handheld video games a lot. And they are practically unsavable.
The meter itself can be salvaged, but the electronics are gone, says Dutch. Yeah.
Yeah,
Pretty
so
much, yeah.
look at
Yeah.
the board. It's warped.
Whoa.
I have some isopropyl.
So
I don't think that will.
no, I don't think we will make this one work. But yeah, sure, I
No,
can
we
give it.
can't, because look at the
Some of this
traces,
underneath is-
There is no traces. What
Don't
traces?
lick it, says Warwick.
Yeah, it's
Carlos,
tempting.
stop.
It's tempting. It's tempting.
Take a bit in there. Right.
You need some neutral gloves for that. Yeah.
Yeah, I have some at home for my car work.
Let me show you what Carlos is doing there.
Oh yeah, I need a more abrasive brush. This is not
No
going to.
toothbrush. I normally use an old toothbrush for these.
Yeah, no, this is not going to work even with an angle grinder.
So
It's gone.
it's gone. It's gone.
Oh yeah.
You just need a lot of small wires, says Carter.
Yeah.
It is fixable.
No, it's coming off.
Yeah, in some places. In some places, it's already completely gone.
Carter, don't get some of these ideas to Richard. I see him sitting over at the other bench and trying to sort of revive this thing.
Considering it is hand drawn.
And it's probably single-sided.
I
Yeah.
always love to make some mess. Yeah. Don't voice the warranty, says Paul.
Warranty. Yeah.
I think.
It actually had longer
Past
warranty
that.
than the parts today though.
Oh yeah, it's not coming off, is it? It's like
No, it created a new
compound.
New compound, yeah. Copper sulfate.
Yeah, it's like copper sulfate.
It is.
Okay, so
Battery acid plus copper equals copper sulfate.
pretty much so. Okay, so that's not gonna.
Give me a scraper. I'm going to see how much there is left of the actual trace underneath.
Okay.
Knife.
I think the warranty expired 3 days ago.
This one?
Says,
And that works.
Says Dutch.
Scalpel, better. More precision. Okay.
Try to get this under the microscope.
Yep, I am going to. So I'm going for the worst traces. Yeah. This is after isopropyl, by the way.
Oh man.
Yeah, there is no trace left. Oh, there's a little bit of copper left down there. But
Can you try to measure those?
you mean continuity?
Yeah, continuity. Yeah. Okay, now there's no continuity.
There is no copper left.
No.
Pretty
Well,
much.
I see some copper over
Yeah.
in the corner there. Well, if you keep
Holy crap!
if you keep going this,
I'm not doing it very hard. I'm just
Yeah.
scraping on the top.
this is just copper oxide.
Yeah, copper sulfate I think is the
Yeah,
bunch stuff.
yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Boiling water may be better, says Tim's.
Yeah, I agree.
Right,
but-
I never heard this boiling water.
Well,
Yeah,
Well,
it works.
Yeah, Tim, you're right.
Yeah, it dissolves the copper sulfate, so he's completely right.
Won't the boiling water like melt the acrylic front of the meter?
No, you need about 250 degrees for acrylic,
Okay.
from experience.
Do you have deoxy? Yeah, I would. I ran black too, but I think we don't have deoxy over here.
I have something similar from WD.
Yeah, I think they do the similar
Yeah,
stuff.
contact cleaner.
Yeah.
And this is a black.
Yeah.
So okay, guys, we think this one's probably not going to get fixed.
White vinegar. I think this is Dutch. I think this is beyond white vinegar or deoxy or baking soda, David.
Yeah, you can save it, but there is a problem inside as well.
Oh god, yeah, it's all over the components.
Yeah, so you have to
Oh,
change all the components, do a new PCB practically, order a new one, or rewire it completely.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I wouldn't say this is feasible to fix. You can fix it practically, but you shouldn't. It's too much time.
It was fun.
Oh.
Here you go.
This is sad.
Can we get the shot?
Well, okay, the traditional.
Okay.
Wait.
The burial. The battery, Joe.
Oh, I'm not touching that thing.
No, dangerous stuff for me.
That's what you're here for.
So it's a car boot sale. Yeah, we could probably.
Someone did, and they made some money off Richard.
Okay, well, there's one more thing from the car boot sale, and then we'll look at the signal generator.
We got one
project.
more, yeah.
Oh, a robot.
Yeah.
It's going to take over the world.
Yeah, Richard showed me yesterday a video about this new
Robotic dogs in China. Have you seen these?
You got the thing on your phone, right?
I can put them on the screen if you give me a moment.
Yeah, do that. So
We're
looking here at the. You didn't see that, right? We're looking at the grandfather of the thing that's coming up right now.
A servo?
Yeah, and we got this for a fiver, so we couldn't resist.
Electric motors?
I couldn't resist.
With gearing. Oh, fuck. Huh. There's nothing connecting the arms, but they move. Maybe it spins around and moves them that way. There doesn't seem to be any mechanical connection.
Well, you know what happens next, right?
Yeah.
Dropping in some batteries.
Yep, that was my next question. Where is my screwdriver so I can disassemble this?
Let's
USB.
Yeah, let's do mini Carlos. Check the battery leak. This is a good idea. Yeah, true. Oh, it's USB, right?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So it has a LiPo inside.
Guys, I get you over to the other screen.
These are the robotic dogs.
Yeah.
You can buy these.
Yeah, it looks like the Boston Dynamic ones. They're not as good, but they use LiDAR to...
Yeah, you can see the LiDAR, the thing
I
rotating
said
its
the
head.
same yesterday when I was.
But it's insane. You can buy these for home use now. And you can actually hook up ChatGPT to them. So they
Of course,
actually,
yeah.
they can talk back and do actions. ChatGPT sends commands to them.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
But you not only have the ones on wheels, I mean, that's just been modified. They have like...
It's still quite versatile.
It's quite versatile, but they actually have... can we find... Yeah, here we go.
When I watched this yesterday, I knew Boston Dynamics had the
Price from 1600.
1600. Yeah,
From $1,600.
the Boston Dynamics one cost $500,000. So
yeah. So
No, $1,600 you get these. Look at these things.
Yeah.
Actually, you can tell when will DJI have one of those.
Yeah, well, DJI should have one.
Yeah. And you can see the LiDAR on the nose there. This rotating thing is the LiDAR.
it should have a protective casing on the LiDAR.
Look at that. High five.
Yeah, it understands basic commands as well. without an AI inside.
Look at that.
Just incorporate an AI and it's
Well,
scary.
Wow, look at that.
Well,
If it falls over, it can correct it. It can correct itself and stand back up again. Guys, have you all seen one of these before? I think they're amazing.
That's insane.
so you want one. Julie was saying that one's one.
Yeah.
For sure that one's one. But
No.
no. This
Okay.
is probably for Richard.
Do you have
I'm more a
an
cat
emergency
person anyway.
plan for this? Just in case it has a lipo battery.
What, we're going to put the camera on this?
You mean in case it tries to take over the world and so
No,
on?
it combusts.
Yeah, cause I mean...
There's a red light. Damn, we lost.
Oh,
Oh.
well, it's better than nothing, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, but it is charging. Okay, so let's put it on.
Oh!
Oh, cool.
We're screwed.
I think we need.
Batteries.
Batteries for the...
Yeah.
The remote
So
probably needs
screwdriver.
there.
Oh,
The cheaper one.
why?
Because I don't get any better.
they almost have no screw points left.
True.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
will.
can it tie shoes, the dog? I don't know.
Not yet.
But I think it's
Not
just
yet.
amazing. So people in China are buying these things as pets.
Yeah. It's easier to take care of them. At least.
Yeah.
Oh, there are batteries
The
in
battery.
there. And they're probably gone.
They weigh nothing. So.
Right, where's some fresh ones?
Can you steal two from Julie?
Yes, we can take some batteries from Julie's.
I would
A, B,
wanted
and
to repair
C.
stuff for me. Yeah, something like that, Carl.
Yeah, my daughter said something funny. So she wants a robot because she plays with ChatGPT and stuff at home.
There you got a robot.
She wants a real robot that
There's a real robot.
cleans her room. So
Maybe,
I told her she
yeah.
can have one if she can build it.
See? Yep. There you go.
So actually, we have ordered a robot building kit from AliExpress. So I'll keep you posted if she managed to make a room cleaning robot, because I'm going to get rich. She's not the only one that doesn't like cleaning.
Oh, okay.
Better not to buy me as a pet. I'm useless, no. Dutch, who want to buy you as a pet? Are you feel furry?
A furry.
And the batteries jump higher when you drop them on the bottom. All right.
Yep, true.
You guys know strange stuff.
Yeah, no. And if you put them in the freezer a while, they will work.
You're saying these are no good?
No, they actually have some charge left.
Why do you do
How do you
this?
know?
Because they bounce.
Why do you put
Otherwise,
this,
they don't
this
bounce.
screw back?
Why don't you just connect a multimeter to them?
They don't have a lot of charge left.
Shall we prove if Carlos is right or wrong?
Okay, A, B, and C. Ooh,
On. Ooh, there's a light. Oh, that sounds like one of my drones.
Let's see how many volts you
no, it doesn't have any sound. Okay, so it has an IR somewhere, probably there.
Ooh, look at the scary eyes.
Walk forward, nothing. Walk backwards, nothing.
The light went off. The light went back on.
So it detects the command, because
You
when
sure the thing is on? Because there's no light on the controller.
Ah!
no, but the light turns on when I push the button. See?
All right.
So something is going on.
These batteries are...
Can you point the remote at the camera here? So we can see that there's something coming out of the remote.
I don't think that one has an IR filter.
There's
yeah,
yeah. There you go. Yeah. Okay. The
So
the
it is
controller
working.
sends something.
Maybe because it's hooked up to the battery pack.
Oh, that could be. Yeah.
It's not walking.
These batteries are no good, by the way.
Yeah, it has some charge.
About 0.6 of a volt in that one.
Yeah, so it's shit.
Yeah.
Little colors.
Program Windows logo. Did they license this? You think?
Sure.
Okay, let's see if it stays on. It does.
Yeah.
Oh!
No fucking way. Sorry.
Wait!
Is this from Buck Rogers?
Oh, Beagly Beagly!
Yeah, I think so.
Beagly Beagly. What was that? Oh, his name Tweaky.
Tweaky,
Tweaky,
yes.
that robot on Buck Rogers.
Slide forward, slide backwards.
Okay.
So forward doesn't work. Okay, it does work now. So it's a little stuck. One of the wheels doesn't spin as fast as the other one.
We need a bit of space.
Left, right, or left. Oh, it does work.
Maybe not as interesting as the dog thing in the background, but you know, this is a grandfather of these.
Yeah, so
Does it have lasers?
Oh, the dog's still going. Look,
So it does work. It's a little underpowered, but that could be the battery is not being fully charged.
Can you do something with the arms? I think they have.
No, the arms are not.
Tweaky.
Oh yeah, these.
Yes,
have,
Holy Hills.
Yeah, Tweaky.
Yeah, Tweaky.
yeah,
Yeah.
these have actual servos inside,
Alright.
so they should.
Maybe they can struggle.
Shoot.
Shoot. Okay, it has lasers. We doomed.
Yeah.
There was an explosion sound. Okay.
Yeah, demo.
There's
Let's see.
dogs walking down steps. Look at that. Camera up a bit. Look where you are. It's like walking on
And
concrete.
now it looks like the little
Wow.
robot is looking at the dog thing.
Yeah, no. Don't burn anything. Right? So you can program it. Walking speed, sliding speed. So slide and walk. What's the difference?
Learn from him. The robot's watching TV. Yeah, Paul, I tell you.
They've all gotten to watch the videos of these go-to dogs.
Okay, maybe we have to charge this up.
Yeah,
Okay.
It needs a charge, but
Yeah.
it works. I'm surprised.
So for €5, this wasn't bad.
No,
Is this almost becoming like a collectible now? They are quite old.
that's
Give it
this
tw-
is not that old
give it-
considering the design
Yeah.
of the controller.
Yeah, I don't.
Give it 20 years, that'd be collectible.
Yeah, probably. By the AIs that they have taken over the world.
Yeah, true. And yeah, then we on their watch list because we have these things and
Yeah.
we didn't treat them nice. and
I've actually worked with AI quite a lot past months, and it's scary good at some things, and it's crap at others. But it's getting better. It knows how to make hands and text now.
I know.
Yeah, you saw the videos. Yeah.
Okay, so Deborah has something to show you.
Do I? What-
Yes, guys,
Do I get a beer?
you do get a beer. If everybody's brought your own beers, now's the time to get them out.
Yeah, they usually have.
How old is it? Yeah,
domestic.
with that opening, we probably can't tell. And I think we're too curious to see what's happening when it's charged, really charged, and if it can do something crazy stuff with it.
Number 3.
It only gets bright. Well,
6.
I think all in all, for €5, that wasn't a bad deal.
yeah, this sounds like a funny thing. Yeah.
Quality control passed.
Cristiano Robotic 7. Yeah, I think it says it somewhere on the remote.
There's a number 7 on the front of it. It says 7.
You're right, SX64 man.
Ah.
Yeah, it has the football jersey. I didn't notice.
Anyway,
Does it
Holy
chase
Hills.
a ball?
Cheers, my friend.
Salute!
Cheers.
Salute! Cheers!
I have energy.
Bottom-
Dorada Especial, brewed in Tenerife.
Yeah. Tropical.
Richard got the local brew.
Yeah.
Brewed on Gran Canaria.
Yeah.
I don't drink beer.
A German, a Swede, and an Englishman walk into the bar.
Yeah!
This was your original
That was the original.
teaser.
That was the original quote when we first did the live stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
It's true. It's true. That's that.
So, prost everybody. Salute.
Prost.
Or in Finland, any Finnish guys watching here today?
Yeah, get pissed.
Get pissed. Is the word. Get pissed. Oh, Yamas in Greece. I can't think of any more.
Nachaim.
Oh, okay.
Israel.
Kampai.
Prost.
Japanese.
What is it in Slovakia? Is that like the same?
Oh yeah, Marcel. What do you say in Slovakia?
Yeah. What is cheers?
Cheers. Cheers in Slovakia.
Slovakia.
Come on, we have to learn something here today.
Oh, nice John Springs or 5 prinks or what?
Sprinks.
Springs, yeah.
Just sort of.
£100 for easy fix.
Nastravia, of
Oh,
course.
Nastravia, of course,
Of course,
Nastravia.
yeah, Nastravia, my friend.
Nastravia.
This side.
Oh, sorry. Nastravia.
80 people, time for a poll. Okay, Paul, what poll you want?
Yeah.
80 people, really? This is a lot.
Yeah,
I think we had a peak at the other channel with 100.
100
on
something
the
with a
most-
giveaway of.
With the giveaway.
Yeah. And poor Detlef's fingers.
And we'll try to arrange some more giveaways, guys,
Yeah.
guys by the way.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
trying to do this. And I this time we need
Poll.
Shall I move that out of the way, that? I just realised that the microscope is now like...
It was way too high, yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah,
It gets a bit chaotic.
we're professional.
Yeah, we are.
No sarcasm at all.
Okay, so guys, let's get a camera on this, and I'll tell you what it is and pass this to Detlef. So,
let's try this one, yeah.
Okay, so shall
Because
I
I need a moment.
and
here
I need to do with this. Okay.
for doing the thing here.
The pole.
Okay, we have the pole. Here's the pole
Yeah,
with the camera on it.
Stripper pole.
Okay, so I made the video this week, one of the PCBWave sponsored ones, designing a sweep generator for audio. So this generates audio frequency, starting at a low frequency up to a high frequency, and I basically based it on a couple other YouTube videos, and I made a bit of a cock up of it basically with the second one. So after you guys pointed out that the one from Kerry Wong was not going to work, Detlef said, well, hey Rich, why don't you just? And I'm going to pass this now to Detlef. So what did you say? What? Oh, hello. Well, that was tricky.
This is the robot revolution there.
Yeah. So, so anyway, Detlef, what did you say? Why don't you just?
We had a discussion here, and I was looking at the schematics, and Richard got me down this rabbit hole.
Of course.
Doesn't happen at all, right?
No.
And we were talking about the sweep gen, and I said, what was my first idea? I don't know. We had some ideas, we were throwing around ideas, and I'm still not done with the.
I think your first idea was, do you really want to do that?
Yeah, this is not these days my standard reaction right now.
Yeah.
But we fiddled around with the stuff, and I think we did. You asked me about the PCB layout you did, and we were hanging out talking about the stuff, and I went home with all the things in my head, and of course I needed to think about these things.
Yeah. And the problem was using a microcontroller to generate the sweep waveform.
Yeah.
As although it's only up to 20 kilohertz, the data rate, if you have say 256 steps in each sine wave, it had to run as output into about 5 megahertz.
Yeah. The design Richard had a parallel DAC on it, a digital analog converter, so you got 8 bits and one sweep right into the DAC. But still with that, if you have a sine wave and you want to have a bit perfectly sine wave, you need at least, what did we say, 64 steps. 64 steps. We came up with and said, okay, worst case would be if you're going to have a real fine waveform there, you want to have 256 steps. And when you get to this, you need 255 steps to do one cycle.
Yeah.
So you need
and we're doing some math there. We're figuring out some math there, and we came that you need to feed the ADC for about to get to 20 kilohertz.
The DAC.
Yeah, the DAC. Do have to feed this with some 5 megahertz.
To get to 20 kilohertz. On 64 steps, it was about 1.7 megahertz.
Yeah. So you just have to push in data there all the time. I said, okay, you could do this probably by doing this via SPI. Because SPI would be my choice here, because I don't like the parallel things. Well, you get the pins, but still not my.
And then you went home, and then you thought.
Yeah, and we thought, okay, this is going to be tricky. I was always opted for something like this little micro here. Well, this machine is on, right?
I put under the microscope.
Overhead is on, right? Yeah.
Yeah, overhead.
I opted for this little machine here. This is a Seed Studio Chow. And this will never.
I'll get it for you now. 1 moment. Microscope.
Yeah, and move the robot.
Get the microscope,
And move the little. Sorry.
So this is the one that Detlef came up with.
Yeah.
Microscope.
Microscope. Go. Can you do
there?
Can you do a full screen over there?
I can.
F11.
F11.
No. F11.
yeah. This is me too. Yeah, I was going for F11 would it work?
Yeah.
No.
There we go. Yeah, it should work.
I'll now just get the focus spot on that one. There.
Yeah. So you see, Seed Studio. If you look very closely, there's a seed with 3 E's in there.
Oh yes, Seed. SEEED.
I opted for this little thing. This is a 48 megahertz thing. And it has a DAC built in, so you don't have to worry about how do I feed the thing. It simply has it.
How fast is the DAC on this?
Yeah, we never tried this.
Oh,
because I like Casa says I like I squared C is so easy to connect.
Yeah.
With you there, and I would go for the SPI route only if I have this data rate. There are DAC that can do this stuff.
I squared C is not fast enough.
I squared C won't work for this. You need SPI.
Or parallel.
Yeah, a parallel output.
What's the bits in the DAC? In Little Seed Studio, I think it's 8-bit. I'm not sure right now because I didn't follow up here.
Okay.
Because rabbit holes, I told you. And I came up with the idea, well, you want to have some audio. We could do some pre-made audio simply using an MP3 player.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
Ding!
Ding! Put us in
Yeah.
the picture, Dad.
Yeah. So there you got the whole thing.
So you made an MP3 player that does a sine wave.
Yeah, the thing was there were two things Richard told me about. You need a sync pulse. So if you have a sweep,
Okay.
so from say 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, you have to have a
Sync pulse at
signal
the start.
somewhere, just simply a square wave that tells you here starts the sweep.
And you trigger your scope with that.
Yeah, I was going for, you don't need this for, you can do something like an FFT,
Yeah.
fast Fourier transformation, where you got a frequency by volume there, because you probably need some, when I have something where you go for read the frequency and pull out how high is the signal, is to measure some CR
Filter thing.
filter thingies. Yeah.
Okay, but however,
But still, we can do the sync. Thank you, not think. Sync pulse here, because when this little board here, do a pointing device.
I can put it.
The knife works.
So this little board is the MP3 player.
Yeah, this one is.
That's the robot again.
Give me a sec.
Oh, leave him on. He's fun.
Okay. Okay. Take it.
So this is a little MP3 player module. You see, it has an SD card in there.
Yeah.
And the thing has one feature there. It has a busy pin.
Yeah.
So it tells you while it's playing, it goes high or the other way around. And when it stops playing, it goes to low or the other way around.
Yeah.
And a little micro here, we choose a simple nano here,
Yeah.
can detect this. So you got a sync pulse. When you sync your waveform here with something, you simply go for, wait for the busy here, put out a sync pulse.
And then send the detector play.
Send it to something, whatever you need.
Yeah.
Since this is an MP3 player that can do stereo, we can do 2 channels, so you can have an inverted signal for one channel and a not inverted channel on the other one.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
And since you can feed any MP3s in there you want, anything you want, this is the most flexible way, I think.
Yeah.
If you say you're testing speakers, Dutch will tell me if this works or not. Say you're testing speakers, you maybe want to have a sweep somewhere to test the frequency response, but then you maybe want to test this with some music or something, and
Perfect.
put some music on there.
Yeah. Or you can just put a bass beat.
Yeah, you put a bass drum on there.
Or a snare.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Something like a crash or something.
Yeah. So.
And it takes a SD card, so you can put in whatever.
Yeah. And how it works is that the micro basically just tells it to play track 1, track 2, track 3 or whatever. So the full version is got a rotary encoder, is that right?
Yeah, and the display.
And the display, so as you choose, it'll just say track 1, track 2, track 3, and you just you press the button, the rotary encoder with a push button.
Yeah.
Push to start, and then you see you could hold the push button and then you can alter the volume.
Yeah, so this was the idea too. So we have a second mode for the push button where you simply hold it down and it switches to volume. It will tell you on the display, and you can change the volume from 0 to 30.
Yeah.
And
But so far you've got to the point where in the software you have to change the image, the program, and then tell it to play sample, whichever. Is that right?
yeah, we did this on last week sometimes, and I'm getting 50 lines of code, so you can tell there's not much going on there. And yeah, and we tried. We can show you.
We can show you.
Yeah. I need to get the cable over here.
We need to get us to the
Without trying not to kill anything.
to the
To the
laptop.
laptop. There.
Do I have a USB?
Yeah.
Do I have
Yeah.
a USB?
And this little
We're going for
MP3
the
player,
HDMI.
as well as having a line out stereo,
Ah, look at
it's
this.
also. Don't turn the speakers up.
Oh wait, let me go for the thing here first.
Okay. Well, it's playing sound. So yes, it has a line out, but it also has a 3 watt per channel amplifier built on there, Class
It
D.
does,
So
it
you can
does.
actually drive speakers 8 ohms directly.
Yeah.
So that's the thing
SD is
working.
proprietary. SDIO isn't. What do you mean?
You mean the actual make? Yeah, it is. It's proprietary. SD card.
Well,
But the SDIO library is free use. It's the same like.
Carvoca, we don't need the library. All the SD handling is done by the MP3 player.
Yeah.
This is connected. I'll show you.
Let me show you.
I'll try to. We can't get the screen out, but screen up here, so I have to do this via handheld camera, which will be horrible.
So this little MP3 player, as well as having a line out stereo, it's also
somebody wrote a library for this thing, so I really even have a library. I don't have to do the nitty-gritty stuff here, because I simply get a software serial, so I have a serial communication, the thing is controlled by serial. Then I get my MP3 player over here, files on SD card, because I'm getting how many files are on there. And then I'm not doing so much. And this is how you program the little player here. You got an equalizer that I put to normal, so we have to check if there's a linear frequency response. Set the output device, so this connects the SD card. Enable the DAC. For some strange reason, this isn't enabled automatically. So, and then I simply put the output to max volume, which is 30 steps over here. I read how many files on the card.
Yeah, so just however many files is how many will be in the list. So
Dump
you just
some
put
here.
It creates a list depending on what
depending what's on there.
And then I simply play file 1.
Yeah.
The biggest downside here is that I only have numbers here. I don't have file names. I only get the numbers from the player. But I think we can live with that.
Yeah.
So you normally would have 4 or 5 files on there, and you probably know after some time which one is which one. And we can change this here. We simply can go for file 2.
So once we add the rotary encoder, that will just be changing the number and calling this as a function, yeah?
Yeah, and I simply shift it directly into the thingy.
Oh my god.
Okay. This is this is a slow laptop, so there's a progress bar.
Nice one, fart sampler.
Oh, and of course I see this is the version that I didn't correct right there.
Okay.
Yeah, remember the MP3 player?
Yeah.
Just entertain them people for a moment. I have to change the
Oh, okay. So Detlef cocked up.
Yeah, I did, and
on that one.
Yeah, I stopped the symbol there.
And Twiki agrees with us. Yeah. So that's how it's going to work, guys. As I say, it'll just be a simple rotary encoder. You just turn it to choose track 1, track 2, track 3, whatever. Pressing the button and it plays.
And it makes a waveform for
Yeah. So Jet's just going to mess with his software now. So we'll show you doing an audio sweep on this. When these
really?
And when the sweep stops, the Arduino knows, because the busy signal goes off on the MP3 player, when it sends the next play, so it's on a loop. At the same time it sends the play, it also sends a sync pulse out on one of the general purpose pins, is that right?
Yeah.
And the scope can trigger, and then that's it.
Yeah.
You trigger at the start. And as I said, if you want to put different, you can just download some samples from, effectively
whatever,
some sort of frequency generator software. Or use Audacity, or what was the one?
You can generate it with math.
Programming as well. And then you just stick them on the card.
Yeah.
When you put the new card in, automatically it knows us now how many tracks there are, and away you go. Right.
Okay, so he fixed it.
Have you fixed it yet?
It was
Let's hear what's on there.
It was a really easy fix.
Oh, I'm still done uploading. Oh, and I selected the same sound, of course.
Okay, choose a different sound.
Yeah.
Compiling.
This should be faster. Second run.
Yeah.
It's always faster.
Ready?
It's already pre-compiled the library.
So it's now loading it.
Done uploading.
We're still playing the same sample.
I know. Let's see if this.
If you restart it.
Oh, somehow we killed the connection. There's no serial.
Which connection?
There's no serial connection to the MP3 player.
Everything is hooked up. Nothing went off.
Try to press reset on the little chip, so we should see a change of the.
Didn't do anything.
No, still not connected. No, this doesn't help if you press it a long time.
Disconnect?
No, this doesn't help. The serial connection to the white one.
Okay, can you remember which colour pin it should be on?
These are it's the one with the resistor and the yellow one.
How many repair takes does it take to fix
To
this?
fix this, so that's resistors it, and then the white one goes on to output on D6.
I agree, Marcel.
It's D6.
No, it's A4 and A5. It must be A4 and A5.
Well, on here it sort of says like D5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't see any A's.
A is on this side.
A's on this side.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing connected to A5. There never
That
was.
is working. We really had this working, guys. We're not cheating you.
You've changed the pin. You must have changed the pins in the software.
No, I can't change this because it's SDI.
Oh, okay, so it's
No, wait. This is not I2C. This is a thing.
SPA.
No, this is not a serial.
Yes.
Can you put this on the microscope?
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
Shut this off now. Overhead microscope.
Massive higher up.
Yep. Got working on it.
Yeah.
Before I froze.
Sorry guys, you can see this is live because obviously.
Let me read the comments in between.
The cock-ups.
This is a hi-hat. Catho, I think it's a symbol, one of the bigger ones.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it still sounds like someone smithing something.
I'm starting to choose the best filtering method to reduce sensor noise. Common, a filter, or a complementary filter. YouTube, I played around with common filters back in the days when I worked for the university. And common worked pretty well. I think on Arduino there's a library for that. You may want to check this out, and this is pretty easy to handle then.
Yeah, 5 volts in ground there.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
No,
need
the
5.
reset pin.
There's
wait.
nothing connected to the
No,
reset.
it's
it's
ground.
ground,
It's
it's
ground.
ground,
It's
it's
ground.
ground.
I thought it was the
That's
reset.
good.
No, yeah, there's.
There's an old 8-bit sampling keyboard called the Casio SK1, which is affectionately known as a fart sampler, 5-second sampler,
Yeah.
and people do what people do.
Ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was playing around with one of
signals
these
over here.
little samplers things.
So D3, D7, and D8
Let me see.
or your.
Yeah, D7 and D8 are attached to the MP3 player.
Did we check? Oh yeah, we changed this when we did the thing. True.
The thing.
Yeah, when we moved this up to the other computer, and this is the oldest piece of software we had for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
This should work now.
Downloading, right? Let me see.
Sound on.
Yeah, I got you. No, I didn't want to press reset there. Now we should hear something now, which we don't.
if you don't, turn the speaker up a bit.
Files and card.
Yeah, it found the files. Do I have to press something to?
Press reset. Try press reset.
Yeah.
Okay. The red light flashed. It's doing something. Oh,
Oh,
there's
look at
a-
this. Yeah, I think people can hear this.
that's
yeah.
a 1 kilohertz tone.
Yeah.
Not all people can hear that, I think. If you're really old, you're screwed.
1 kilohertz. Yeah, everyone should be able to hear, unless you're deaf.
I'm trying the other one.
Turn on.
Try play. No, this was a robot.
Okay. Do I need to press?
No, you don't.
I see
Oh.
you doing stuff.
Something's happening.
Ow! Ow!
Okay,
ow,
yeah, that's
ow,
really
ow.
loud.
Yeah. This is 10 kilohertz, and it
10K.
hurts.
Oh yeah.
So 10 kilohertz. I don't know if that will pick up on the microphone.
I can,
Yeah, could be.
I can hardly hear that. I can't hear well, very faint.
Oh no, that's really annoying for me.
Yeah.
I've always been able to hear really high frequencies.
Okay, try another one.
That's pretty low for me. Okay.
That's a 40 hertz,
This is a 50 hertz. Yeah.
50 hertz.
Yeah.
Go down to 6 hertz. 6 hertz.
No, I can't because
Because
I
we
need
have to
change
load
the
the sample.
Oh yeah, that's too bad.
Yeah.
That's the brown noise. According to Mythbusters, you shit yourself.
Yeah, press reset over that, please.
It was an episode about that. It doesn't work, obviously.
Okay, so that's the low frequency.
Yeah.
Can we get a sweep?
I think we can.
It's a really low bass frequency, so it can be that the mic doesn't pick it up, actually.
Okay, go on.
But this is useful.
Yeah, it is useful. I think it's useful for testing that, but what we got now. Ready? Is that 1 kilohertz?
Oh, I think this is a 10 kilohertz with the inverted signals. You maybe want to put this on an oscilloscope.
Yeah. I'd like to hear the sweep first.
Do we have a scope? Okay.
I think the sweep is probably 5 or 1, 5 or 0. I try 5 first.
Oh yeah, 0 is the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, and how are you going to?
Well, we have a probe to probe 1 output, and we have. Oh, listen to that. That's not a sweep, but it's nice.
I'm trying to play 0.
Okay, so this goes to ground.
probably the sweep.
Somewhere.
Is there a track 0?
I think so.
Where do I have one of these?
No.
No.
Well, this is the speaker outputs on here.
Cavora, we
Yeah.
can't change this on the fly. This is a thing where we
You have to put the samples on the SD card.
Yeah, we have to change the samples on the SD. So if you would use this for your use case, you probably go for okay. I need don't know.
Yeah,
You've got the yellow and the red.
5.5K to 7.8K.
And then the black is ground.
Yeah, I'm just checking.
So if you connect this, onto one of the on the black,
Yeah, but where is the black?
this in the middle.
Oh, there it is. It bent strangely. So.
No, that's the yellow.
No, that's the black. No, the black is the other one. Here, there we go. Okay, so I don't.
I
need
think
to
you
connect
guys can hear this. I turn this down because it really hurts my ears.
Okay.
Then this can connect onto one of the outputs.
I'll stand it up.
Dutch, I don't know. I think I can't hear 20 kilohertz anymore because I played drums back in the days.
1x or 10x.
I use a tone gen app on my mobile phone for that. Sure, but you don't have a sync pulse.
This generates a sync pulse.
Yeah, this is what the guys were telling me, that they need a sync pulse for doing things, and
A sync pulse at the start of the sweep.
fine, you need your sync pulse, and I think your phone can't do that.
How do I go in? There we go. Channel 1. Where do I set the trigger? It's on a rising edge. Yeah, that's.
You want both beams on, don't you? Well, let me do it for you. So channel 2 is both up. So channel 2 is on.
Springs
Why do I
already
want
2
channel
down.
2?
Bank holiday weekend.
Oh, yeah, right.
Cheers, mate.
You want to look at both of them.
Yeah, right.
You're on like 500 millivolts.
Yeah, it's not showing. There we go.
There you go.
As Exman says, I can barely hear 15K on M67. Yeah, this is the biggest problem when you get older.
It is on the
red one.
Well, you got 2 channels. You got yellow and red. Your stereo channels.
Yeah. Okay, and the red comes from.
You're probably better using a crocodile clip.
Yeah.
Just click it on.
I am.
So what happened to the sweep?
Too many hours in front of a Fender Twin. Nice one.
The yellow one. God damn it! Crappy clips. There we go.
Right.
Okay.
So play a sample.
It is playing.
I can't hear
press reset on the CPU. Yeah, thank you. Because I don't have any loops right now, and I'm busy holding a camera right now.
Okay.
And
Hit trick also.
auto, yeah, that was what I was looking for.
Yeah.
That's a nice sine wave. 1 kilohertz.
Can't see it on the camera at all. If it's gone.
Yeah, you need to press reset again. I don't have a loop right now.
Oh, it's not playing the loop. It's just playing it once.
And I don't want to mess around here with trying to figure out how to do.
1 kilohertz.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is. But the
volt peak is 2.68. 1 kilohertz. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you do this on Can you do this with 2 channels?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going for that's. I can't choose both at the same time.
Of course you can. You go to channel 2. It's set to off at the moment.
Oh. Really?
Yeah,
it
says
says on. There.
Press channel 2.
Channel 2.
No, it's on.
Oh, okay.
It was off.
Yeah.
Then you press
Kavoka, no problem there. No problem, mate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I reset it, and we should have inverted signals. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are inverted.
Yeah, but
hit the trigger set there. Look.
There.
So we're now generating an inverted 1 kilohertz on one to the other.
Yeah, cool. That's kind of useful.
Press reset again, please.
Yeah.
Obviously, guys, this is in development, but you can see where we're going with this.
Yeah, this should be useful for
Should be very useful.
audio stuff and even some testing of.
So can we have that sweep now, please?
I think we don't have a sweep. Not in the software.
On the SD card?
I don't think so, and I can't change the setup here right now.
Okay.
That's fine. Stuff happens.
Well, yeah, I can guarantee, guys, that we did have a sweep on that.
Well, it's only an audio signal, so anything can generate this.
Yeah.
And I think we didn't do this because when I was doing this, we used SoundForge for generating some files. You can use Audacity for something like that.
Yeah, we can use
You didn't
this
format the chord, did you, and delete the sounds? Or when the music track and everything
no,
else
no,
on
no,
there?
Move them over here.
Not at all.
Yeah.
We can use it to load the Commodore 64 files.
Yeah.
True, you could do that. True, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you could.
Hey,
Yeah.
make me one. I need one for the ZX.
Yeah, of course, you could use the old files that they are available in.
Yeah, I have them all.
Yeah, and you simply use the output from that.
Yeah.
What's the cost of this, Detlef?
This is the interesting part because when we were building this, we were thinking about rebuildability. Is this a word? Rebuildability?
Yeah.
It is now.
Ease of building.
Yeah, it is now. Now, rebuildability thing is for me a thing because we wanted to make this that everybody can build this who wants to have this, and can it maintain the amplitude during the sweep? Paul, this is the thing we were going to check for later because I'm not sure if the DSC on the DF player has some frequency thingy there.
On the MP3 player?
Yeah.
But you were considering it's an MP3 player that's supposed to be for playing high quality music. You would think the answer is yes.
Yeah,
Well,
MP3 is
it probably has a cutoff at say 20 kilohertz something.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
We'll figure this out.
yeah.
This is something along the way to do.
If you want to see a continuation of this will be on a video on my channel probably tomorrow.
Really? Well, we were doing the recording tomorrow.
Yeah. So tomorrow evening or Tuesday latest, this will be on my channel, and you can actually see, and we'll get a scope, and we'll have a look at the amplitude on the sweep. But say, being an MP3 player, it should have a linear frequency response, really.
Not necessarily.
No, that depends on the
Okay.
player.
But I'm with Paul. We'll have to check this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, Paul. Constant level would be constant amplitude. Yeah, sure, with you.
Would be really good.
Yeah, yeah.
I have a question for SX64.
Wait, Dutch says,
Oh.
but MP3 has compression, so the amplitude can vary in frequency. Well, not if you, I think not in recording, maybe in playback, because
Yeah.
recording must be linear. And since we're generating these songs, we don't record them. Springs!
Thanks a lot, mate.
Oh, cheers! Thank you. This will go towards a cheap Chinese crap.
Yeah.
We keep buying stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we haven't
Yeah.
done that yet.
Yeah. I mean, this business of the linearity of the output voltage across the frequency range. Bear in mind, this is playing a sample. Yeah. This is playing a sample.
Yeah.
So you could use software like SoundForge or something and create a recorded MP3 that has a frequency. Say like the amplitude is going down towards the high end. You can increase the amplitude and sound footage of the sample. So some messing about.
This would be a lot of the guesswork.
But with some messing about, maybe you could actually make yourself a sample that actually comes out linear.
If you can see the frequency going, how much is going down by how much, yeah, maybe you can do that.
Let me answer something here. Kavoka, you say use FLAC. The little MP3 player can't play FLAC.
Geez,
Sorry,
thanks.
mate. I'm not sure if we can do WAV. We have
WAV?
that, but this
It's
would,
uncompressed.
Yeah,
So that
it's
should-
uncompressed, and you could put in a 2 gig card in there. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So that would work too. I think with a sine wave, Dutch says it somewhere. I think the sine wave looks so sine wavy as it can be. So I don't think that it's really necessary to use FLAC with these. But I'm not the audio guy here. I'm just the programmer. Richard is the one who dropped me into this rabbit hole.
Yeah, I'm not good with the audio stuff either.
Paul T, so the number of frequencies needs to be finite. Well, the SD card is how big?
We have a 64 megabyte.
A 64 megabytes.
This is not even starting.
And that's enough to store maybe hundreds of samples at the length of
Lots
the
of
sample.
samples, yeah.
Probably thousands.
I'd probably limit the thing to 99 because of the display.
Yeah, so I mean, I'd imagine you probably only want, like, say, 1 kilohertz, 5, 460. You know, there's probably only want a handful of frequencies. And bear in mind, Paul, if you want to add another sample, just take the SD card out, stick it on, and put it back in. You don't have to reprogram it. It'll just now see one more file.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That's the beauty of this.
Yeah. The samples would not be continuous cycles.
You can put it.
For a sweep, that doesn't matter because you're cutting this thing anywhere.
Okay, the samples will not be continuous cycles. You can make the samples as long as you want. If you want to make a 5-minute sample, okay, it's still finite, but 5 minutes is quite a long time.
Yeah.
You can make a 30-minute sample.
Exactly, SX64. You can use a higher bit rate.
Yeah. Kavoka Design says, what format is the card? Formatted with cluster size. I don't know if this info is anywhere relevant, man. You can use FAT or FAT32, I think, on this one, so
Yeah.
2 GB is not a problem. If you want to do bigger, please be my guest, and I have no clue what the cluster size is, because I don't care.
Do we know?
It's not necessary in this case.
Do we know the maximum capacity SD card this will take the player?
I think 32 meg.
Gig, yeah.
32 gig, right? So
Yeah,
So you can have hours and hours of sweeps on this.
XFAT size is 4 terabytes.
I think this can't read, I guess, that. With
FAT32,
yeah.
FAT32 is max 32 gigs.
Yeah. The only downside is when you get the sweep, you do get like a stop and a start again, which is when it generates the sync pulse.
You do need a DJ to mix the tracks.
Exactly.
this thing actually can do announcements. I read when I read the data sheet. This is crazy. So this is, if you have a store where some background music is playing, you want to have announcements on it. This thing can do this.
Yeah.
So if we use the Arduino thing to measure voltage on an ADC, can this then like speak say 537 volts?
Yeah.
As you're talking multimeter.
It can. It actually can, but it's a lot of work. So.
Why would you do that? You wanted to have a sweep thing, so sweep thing.
No. He means for a multimeter add-on accessory.
Formatting and size make a difference in quality in either options.
Oh.
No, it doesn't.
No,
it doesn't.
Not in.
Okay,
It doesn't
it's
matter
files.
what file format you have on there, because it's a digital file. If the file format would degrade in any way,
It's
you
already
couldn't hear anything, because your player would say, no, I can't read this.
Yeah.
This is not a thing where you have a different cluster size and this is affecting your audio quality. Believe me, it doesn't.
There is in some cases, but
Never.
Not in digital, but in analog, it matters a lot.
We're talking digital here.
Yeah. No. But that's what he means, probably.
Also, bear in mind, Detlef hadn't put a loop on that software. You can make it just continually loop the same sample over and over again.
There will be a gap. But
There will be a gap.
But the gap is the same thing, like you think
For the sync pulse.
Yeah.
For the sync pulse.
No, we won't ignore your Carvoca. No way, mate.
No.
But sometimes
It's a good idea. You thought it
keep
through.
asking questions, please do.
It's
Don't
better.
stop.
It's better to ask, and we don't know everything either. Believe us.
This is true.
Spock says I'm actually looking to build an DDI analog sensor at some point. Once I repair the crusty one, I keep another one who was buying this lens. This day at the cardboard sale, we're looking at a Roland keyboard, and I was tempted again. But now I got an e-piano, so I'm fine. So I don't need anybody that friends that reminds me. No, you don't need another keyboard.
You can only play one at a time.
Yeah, well, no, you can't.
No, you can play two.
You stack them.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah. I've seen those.
You never remember that band Emerson Lake and Palmer? Yeah, like a stack of.
I don't think that left's going that route though.
No. So, is there anything in our cheap Chinese crap box? Or?
I have a question for SX64.
Okay.
He knows a lot about Commodores, I'm pretty sure. I have a Vectrex that uses the same chipset, the 6522, and it's failed. 6502 processor.
You ruined it.
And it no, 6522 is actually the chip I'm suspecting that's dead. Do you have any tests to ensure it's actually dead? I ordered like 5 of those from AliExpress, so they're on their way either way. Yeah, 6502 is Apple as well. Yeah, it's used in some Commodores, the VIC-20, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's also used in some of the newer ones, the 64s, but not all of them. They changed to another one, a newer version of that. But I can't figure out a way to test the actual chip if it's bad or not.
What, the 6502?
Yeah, 6522. It's the peripheral interface.
Oh yeah.
So it doesn't give any signals at all. Data lines are dead. The clock is there from the CPU and everything.
Isn't the best way just to put a new good one in also?
Yeah, but I didn't have one, so I wanted to...
There's a chip test for that. Ask Adrian from Adrian's Digital Basement. There you go.
Okay, perfect. Do you know what name or maybe a GitHub repository with the
What's
chip
about
tester?
the chip tester you have in...
The retro chip tester.
Yeah.
And
does it do this thing?
That could actually do the trick.
I'm not sure.
I just want to make sure it's dead, because the Vectrex old 6522s are quite hard to find reliable sources from. So I bought from AliExpress. So it's a 50-50.
Got a Kaiser HT3000.
Where do you get them? On eBay?
We have this thing.
And Dutch says, yeah, the retro chip testers should do that.
Oh, this one.
We have this.
Oh.
Well, we never connected the...
We have this.
I'll
And
show you guys.
we have this, guys. We need to finish this.
Oh, if this works, you can test it for me.
Yeah, so this is a retro chip tester. We just need there's a module which goes here, which generates 12 volts, I think. And
I
it's-
think you don't need that.
No, I think we do need that.
PS1, PS2.
Yeah, but yeah, so you fit one or the other. We're missing the one module. We can get them from AliExpress. So this is a retro chip tester. You can then get various adapters. Stefan actually sent me the Gerber file.
It's a 40 pin, the one I have, so this should do the trick. This is 40 pin, right?
Is it 40 pin?
No, I don't think so.
32 pin? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Dutch says,
11,
yeah, that should test
12,
those chips.
13, 14,
That's an
15,
excellent
16.
chip tester.
It's a 32 pin.
32 pin. So it won't do for the PA or PLA or...
Oh, crap. It doesn't. Ah, damn it. Ah, that was hoping we
Yeah.
got an easy solution there.
Yeah, so it's a 32 pin, I think.
Some way says there's an Arduino in the middle.
Yeah, this is an...
It is the card reader.
it's an no, it's an 80 mega. This CPU is an
Oh.
80 mega.
Yeah, it's the same as the big Arduinos, right?
Yeah, the 80 mega
We can get it.
256
We
is
can,
something, yeah.
you may memory put it onto the microscope.
Does this fit under the microscope?
Yes.
With all that rust?
Well, I can get a bit of kitchen roll.
He was going to put it down on all that nice copper sulfate.
SXman 64 says, Carlos, your email on your channel. Can I send you something? Can I send you something?
Yeah, sure. It's on my channel page and about. I get it immediately. So. Yeah, I'm going to buy myself one of those because I do have some retro computers at home and I like to keep them alive. I'm making a video for the Vectrex and it just died on me. I stored it working, but it doesn't turn on. It just shows a dot on the screen.
You want to go full screen? People can't.
Yeah,
read this.
I'm doing it right now. See that? Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah, down there.
Full screen projector.
There we go.
Ah, yep. 80 mega 2560.
Yeah, it's for the big 80 megas, practically with more I/O.
Yeah, that's the
But
problem.
the robot doesn't clean yet.
Yet.
Yeah. So this is all constructed. It's all done. All put together. All it needs, and I keep forgetting to order, is you don't put both modules. You put one or the other.
PS1 or
Either
PS2.
yeah, you need. It tells you this DD1718PA thing or this other one RD0512D. You have to get one or the other.
What is it actually?
I believe it's DC to DC converter that generates 12 volts
Okay, so it's for the high volt chips. Okay, fine.
for the high voltage chips.
Yeah.
So I just need to put that on it, and then this is done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, the little MP3 signal generator we didn't mention, but there will be actually be a display on that, little OLED display.
Oh yeah, we were talking about the cost, and then I got carried away.
Okay. So how much does it cost?
So we rebuildability, right? So we were going for off-the-shelf components that everybody has either laying around or can get really cheap. So the MP3 player is a DF player. If you Google that, you find it somewhere to euros. If you get a out of the blue Arduino Nano, €3 maybe.
2-3 euros.
Yeah.
Euros?
Don't get the ones with the 128 chip. There are new ones that doesn't have the real chip. So you want to have the original nanos with the Mega 328 chips. Do I get my chips right? I hope so. Then we'll have a display. This will probably something like so many. Dear fans.
This one.
No.
Yeah, it's the same type.
Looking for something different.
Those? That has a screen on it.
No, this is not the one I want.
Is it one of the simple displays with numbers?
It's in a squarish box.
Oh,
Maybe it's hiding on my
squarish
keyboard.
box.
Doesn't hide on my
The
keyboard.
robot stole it.
Yeah, the robot. So Blame the robot. No.
Too big?
Oh, there it is. Let's use this one. I don't like this robot.
It has it has a mind of its own.
Can you drop this under the microscope?
Yep, I can. Oh, it's one of these. Okay.
So it's one of these little things.
OLED, right?
Yeah, this is 128 by 64 pixels OLED.
SPI.
So it's an I2C, not SPI.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
SCL, SDA you see on the top row. And I did a layout where you have the option to cross over the ground and VCC pins, and you have to could cross over the SCL and SCA files, because these things come in so many variants, you can't tell which one you get. So I do a layout where you have these things interchangeable.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, and then we have what's his face? A rotary encoder on there.
Rotary encoder with a push button.
They go for €2 for 5 or something.
Yeah.
Where's the CPU on this?
The problem, there's no CPU because it's a display.
Yeah, no, but there should be at least a shift register, right?
No.
There's a parallel pin.
Yeah, it's under the.
Oh, it's under the display.
Under the thing.
I'm used
The controller, not the
Yeah, the
CPU.
controller. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got.
These are the rotary encoders. You show that. So these are the rotary encoders. Again, it's a little module, so it's easy to solder.
With a knob.
With a knob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, so it turns and it pushes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's clickable.
It's clickable,
It's
yeah.
clicky.
Yeah, so you turn it to select your file you want to play, and then just push the button to play.
It's easy.
And if you hold the button down for a couple of seconds, you can then turn it to alter the amplitude.
Katha, yeah, it's a 0.96 display. Yeah, these are the common ones.
Yeah, they're super cheap.
Yeah.
So really, that whole sweep generator is like less than $10.
Yeah, roundabout. Yeah, probably the expensive part will be the RCHX.
Yeah.
we had some there. They on the thing. Can you show the people the RCHX?
Yeah, they look.
I like these. Yeah.
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 They're harder to find nowadays.
They are from.
You can salvage them off all
They're salvageable, but we don't want to go salvageable. We want to have something that you can buy, because
AliExpress sells them.
yeah, you guys should be able to build this stuff. And if we go for something salvageable, the pinout won't fit. Never, it will never be the same pinout. So we're going to get something that you guys can buy.
Can we see something moving on that?
What do you see? Want to see moving?
It's a hair or something.
Something's moving on. Is it?
No, wait, get you back there.
There, look. You see it?
Hmm?
Towards the bottom of the screen.
Just to see AC probably.
Yeah, it's probably the AC moving that.
Yeah. Weird.
Yeah. While we're just talking about Arduino and stuff, I'll just briefly show you this. So I'm going to actually look at this on my channel. They sent me this as a review sample.
Well,
we're around the time that schools and colleges are going back. I can't remember the price. It was between $30 odd or something with this. It wasn't an expensive
I
thing.
recognize the make actually.
Electro is a very known,
known maker, so you can just have a quick preview of what's in this.
Yeah.
No, you don't. You just.
Richard is the guy with the old stuff.
It's mechanical.
I always buy my crop.
Yeah, so this is a case if anybody's interested in learning
Okay.
Arduino and stuff.
Where this is going.
For like 30 odd, you get that whole thing. So you've got all sorts of things in here, relays and.
And it has an Arduino, yeah.
It has an Arduino, yeah.
Controls everything.
I mean, the quality of this and whether it's worth buying is going to be down to the quality of the lessons and the description that comes with it. You know what I mean?
Oh, there's a horrible rain sensor, so it's a moisture sensor.
Yeah, it has one of those. It has a nice buzzer. Some lights, red, green, and blue LEDs. The old kind.
Buzzers.
A real tactile switch.
Ooh.
Yeah. So this is something I shall make a short review video on.
Yeah, we had an idea for that, right?
We had several ideas for this.
Because we thought, you guys know us, so if we do something with that, you probably know, we figure out how to do
Expansion board.
Yeah.
And we thought
of giving this to somebody who has never done this before and see if they can learn anything, if they can make it work.
Yeah, what do you think about this, guys?
If we find somebody who is a complete newbie and see what they can make of it.
Who's the victim?
Well,
No, we won't tell them. We won't tell
we
them.
won't tell them.
It's not me.
No.
No.
What do you think, guys? Oh yeah, bought my kids. Yeah, sounds great. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks
Can you do
decent
a
enough.
review on that live? I think recorded is a better thing for that. Dutch. I think.
Yeah, we recorded this better for that.
Yeah, it would be more fun that way because of all the screw ups. So that's for sure.
Okay.
In the heat of
Yeah.
the moment, it
Rory,
can screw
yeah.
up really easily.
RCR headers, yeah. That we were looking at these and we found already some, but we need to figure out which one we want, and then we get a footprint for these and put everything together, do a nice layout. This is nearly done.
Yeah, there will be a video this week published, and the PCB way. I'll upload the shared project, so it will be there.
Here, I'll save you a little screen here.
I go to Ali.
Dutch says, I don't know anything about Arduino, would love to see a review. Yeah, you know Arduino. If you knew some Dutch, I remember you did some website, right? So if you know PHP, Arduino C++.
Yeah,
so
pretty much.
From PHP over to Arduino, this level. So
And
yeah, get into that. This is easy.
get in the habit of using libraries instead of writing your own.
Well,
Depends on what you're doing. I'm doing some AI stuff and I have to write my own shit, but otherwise, otherwise I would recommend using
Dutch off-grid. Sorry, not Dutch Linux. Sorry, I'm mixing you guys up.
Yeah,
there are two Dutches.
Tim says these kids has user links to examples so you could. I think the Arduino IDE has some example code in there, and I think this is exactly what you use for these kits. I haven't looked at the Elecro thing where Richard just shows us. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and thanks a lot for the help, SX64.
Yeah,
You
good idea.
give me
Always try
some-
libraries first. Yeah, because there are good libraries and there are horrible libraries.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've rewritten some of them, and that defeats the purpose pretty much of using a library.
I can't just find the thing. We found it in the week. I have it on my. I'm
Just
I'm
type
not logged in on my account, but it was like a. It was like a.
RCA PCB.
Yeah, go for RCA header.
RCA
Yeah.
header, RCA
Rory
PCB,
said that.
yeah, or PCB. RCA PCB.
These things.
actually.
There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
you go, yeah.
Those things. Those things.
The one on
The
on
ones
right.
on the right.
On the right. Yeah, they were not expensive.
Something like that. We would choose a quad one, so like the one Richard has now on screen, which is just scrolled. Because we could output the. We probably use a 6 one, right?
You no,
Because we need sync pulse. We need we're gonna have the line out and there's a speaker out.
I think we decided the sync pulse should be on the BNC,
All right. Okay.
so you can't accidentally connect it to the wrong thing.
Okay.
The audio out, line out should be on the RCA sockets, and then we found like a speaker panel connector or something.
Oh yeah. True.
If I can
Yeah, and
find
this
it.
was the best idea.
And this was the best idea, but
The ones on
Yeah.
the right.
no, and now I'm not seeing it, and
of
I'm not
course
logged in on my account.
Of course, it's gone then.
I have it in my
You saved it.
saved links.
Yeah, sometimes I have huge difficulty finding the same.
So it was like a panel that had both speak-on connector, these type of connectors, and the 6.3mm jack
Yeah.
Okay.
all together on the same panel, and they were very cheap.
Yeah, see, there's a whole range of people who are saying, okay, we want to use this, or we want to use that. We will figure something out, and we'll probably leave some points on the PCB. So if we want to have something different, just use it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to find the one. I can't see it now.
No, they're gone. Of course, they're gone.
It was like this, but
this
it's
is-
all.
This is occurs when you're live. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's also had a jack and a.
It has both. So,
and it had banana sockets and screw-on connectors, didn't it?
Yeah, I know, all in one thing.
All in one thing.
It looked like this was made for us. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, dare I search for banana on AliExpress? Look what happened when we looked for the safe book. Sorry guys, can't find it now. This is the curse of life, like you say.
yeah, that usually happens. You at least didn't get anything not safe for work at the time.
Arthur, yeah. There's one really good GPS library, and this was the one we used back in the days with the university for exactly that, GPS. Because we use GPS to get the timestamps. Because GPS transports time, and when you're somewhere in the field and you want to have a timestamp for your data, this is the way
really
to do
good,
it. Yeah. And I remember this was something serial in, and you simply keep it running, and it has a hook for the loop, and that would work. It worked well.
We were talking about Luba, yeah.
Lou. Yeah.
Robert Webb, hello, go gang from Boston. Greetings to Boston, Robert.
Okay, so 10 minutes. Questions time.
Oh yeah, ask us
Oh.
anything.
It's
Ask
almost-
us anything.
Yeah, that time went.
Yeah, time went fast this time.
Ask us anything.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the video for the Vectrex when I'm struggling will be out in a few days. So if you want to see me struggle and try to use my oscilloscope in vain because I couldn't find any signals, will be a fun watch.
Could I please get Richard's email address? It doesn't show up on my about page.
Just put it on there now. Just put it on.
Yeah.
No, I can't. I'm logged in as the electronics channel, so I'm not an admin. So
You
yeah,
can, you can type in my email address.
no, I can't because I can do it.
Oh.
Just bring it up here.
I can do an at.
Okay,
true,
okay,
yeah.
let's do it this way. Okay.
Yeah, you just bring it up there.
David,
and
we got you covered.
So we just go to more, and then it's saying sign in, and I'm not signed in on this
No,
machine.
isn't that your email? No,
No.
it's not. Oh yeah, you have to sign in.
Oh, you have to sign in, of course.
Give me one moment and I'll do it a different way. This is the curse of live again.
Yeah, we haven't set up yet for the new channel, so.
No.
What's the age range here? Oh, Marcel, this is always a good question. So,
Thanks, SX64. I'll check my mail later.
yeah, Carlos is our chicken here.
What?
How old are you?
42.
42.
I'm from 81. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, 42.
Yeah, I'm
No, 43.
from 68,
I
so
can't
I'm
remember.
56.
And I'm
I
from,
think I'm 56.
I'm
I
from,
think.
and I'm from 1959.
81.
No, I'm not 81.
No, I am from 81.
I am from 1959, so that makes me old.
The Victrix, the
No,
Victrix I'm
doesn't,
fixing is actually as old as I am. It's from 81.
Ron, you found a new home. Welcome back, mate. Yeah, you can watch the recording, of course. Why to spend too much time?
Why
making
can't I
reviews?
see? Why can't I see the search thing here on like normally?
Yeah, when I came to the island, I spoke different English. Yeah, same here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and you're welcome to the island for the new ones that don't. And if you come over here, you can be on the live show even.
True.
Yeah, you can come and visit. We can go out for some drinks, have some fun.
Yeah. So if you're coming over to the island, to Gran Canaria,
Gran Canaria Island, not Tenerife.
yeah, we actually live down in where all the touristy areas are, so we got the nice beaches and the nice girls.
Yeah.
And the nice beer.
And the nice beer.
And the nice weather, 24 hours, yeah, 300 days a year, I guess.
At least.
At least, yeah.
At least. Yeah.
Maybe more.
Yeah. I couldn't even find that. You know, on your start menu here,
Yeah.
why don't I see the search thing to search? I can't. Like, normally I get the things.
What are you trying to do?
I want to find WordPad, but it's not on the list. But if I get the search thing to come,
Use editor.
where does that?
Windows search.
E?
Windows
Yeah,
task and S.
yeah, how do I get to the
Windows S.
Windows S.
Windows and S. There we go.
See, oh, okay. That gets all we need to know. You see, on my computer, I don't have to do it.
Windows and R works too.
Yeah, I know you got WordPad.
It's just there, right?
You got
Windows
WordPad.
R works too.
Yeah.
First one.
Yeah.
Marcel, I was on Lanzarote a few months back. Man, you should have called us. Yeah.
Lanzarote is
Yeah.
a bit away though.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can
Well,
take
not
it.
Lanzarote.
It's
yeah.
a it's a, what is it? 5-minute flight or something?
Yeah,
and
something. Yeah, it costs 20 euros or something.
20 euros to fly over.
From here.
Okay, I'll bring you. Can I bring you a screen?
Yes, bring the screen on now. Right, who wanted my email
Yeah.
address? There it is.
Yeah, it is being removed. Yeah.
David, yeah, there you go. electronicanaria@outlook.com.
Yeah. So anybody wants my email address? There it is. And yeah, the other thing I'll find is you guys keep chatting.
No, here's a question for you from Springs.
What's the best and most valuable vintage PC part or machine you found for the best bargain? Okay, so the best one I found was actually when I was still in the UK. I was living here, but I was visiting a friend in the UK. And he said, "Oh, I've got an old computer in the garage, and I have it here, and that is a K6 450. It's Super Socket 7 gigabyte GA5AX motherboard.
Okay, so you got
It's had an all 32 in. And story of this, I sold him this machine like about 20 years ago, and then he gave it me back, and that was free. So that was free.
Yeah, but I'm actually guessing in value your Voodoo 1 card is worth more. It's really close.
The Voodoo, I don't know.
You have a Voodoo 1 Banshee.
I have a Voodoo 4. A Voodoo 2.
Yeah.
The Voodoo 2 is worth, yeah.
Yeah,
It's hard to say, it really is hard to say.
It really depends on how much someone's willing to pay for it. That's how retro collecting works.
Yeah, exactly.
Video games are the same. They have a value gap or range, you can say. But you can go way above that if you have exceptional, let's say you have taken care of it and you have the box and everything, the price skyrockets.
Okay, you need to answer Dutch questions here because he is complaining that you missed, that you're not reading his questions.
Okay, go on.
Did you read my comment about the crown amp video? I did give you information what to check and what amp I repaired. 10 of them, all the same fault as yours.
You missed that.
You missed that.
Yeah.
Hi Richard, did you in my comments on crown amp video, did you give info what to check on that amp?
You missed this comment in the
You missed that.
I'm sorry, yeah, I mean, I do read comments. George, I'm sorry, I'll go back and have a look.
Yeah.
Because obviously I want to see if I can fix that, yeah.
Yeah, so that's
what did occur to me that I didn't do on that video, because all I prove is what isn't wrong with it. But I thought, if I get the thermal camera and look at the area of the circuitry that generates the protect fault, maybe not something hot, maybe something cold, I can see there is some difference on one of the channels. So the next thing I was going to do with that, and I'll obviously make a video, is use the thermal camera.
Whoa, okay, that's really nice SX64. Mac 5.1.
Do you still have space in the shop? Okay, yeah, so I have a lockup as well as the shop. I mean, the shop is a bit cramped now.
The lockup is full too.
Yeah, the lockup, yeah. And so I need to start to clear some of the retro stuff. So I'll try and get a shop site put together or something.
Yeah. I found my Vectors for €5 on the flea market because he thought it was an old TV. They're worth like 300 without the box even. They're stupidly expensive. But they're really fun to play because of the vector graphics. That's why I want to fix it. And I also ordered some multi-cards from PCBWay I want to review.
You want to do some?
We always end up with a bit of this, don't we? So this was me filming on this one, trying some different type of camera angles, and
so this is a normal occurrence.
This is a normal occurrence. So this is on Playa Inglés Beach, filmed last weekend, not this weekend, the one before. So in fact, no, 2 weeks ago this was filmed, mid-August. This is free beach party with DJs and whatever. And I tried some, yeah, he likes it.
Yeah, the robot likes it too.
Yeah, so this is what goes on the beach. And at the moment, you can see, this was difficult to film. So I'm using the gimbal with a mobile phone, weighs about 1 kilo in total, on the top of like a 2.5 meter pole over the top of people. Yeah. And the interesting thing is, if I did this with a drone, it would be illegal. But if I do this on a very long extension pole with a big heavy camera and gimbal, it's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
How does that work?
This is the shot you mean. This is
the shot I mean. So if I used a drone, that would be illegal. But I've got about 1 kilo of equipment on an extendable monopod reaching up to 3 meters high, roughly. Yeah. And that's fine.
Yeah, the robot likes it too, for the same reasons everyone else does.
yeah. So this is what happens on the beaches here, basically. Anybody wants to come over, we can.
Yeah, there is a ton of stuff in Richard's shop.
Yeah.
You don't see it here, but behind here, there's a disaster back there. It's quite organized as well. So
it's an organized disaster.
Yeah, I always think I would never find anything here.
Yeah, now it's like the angles.
Yeah, he has ordered his own chaos, just like I do. I have very limited space at home because I do my videos at home as well, and I have the same problem. Yeah. And now I have the laser too. That takes up space.
Yeah. Oh, the CO2 laser's on the way.
Oh, cool.
That's coming.
Let's see if we can cut some metal this time.
Yeah. See what we can do with that. That's coming.
Spring says, did I mention that you do photography too? Yeah, I come from photography.
He is a professional photographer.
It's easy to find a grounder on the beach.
Yeah, but currently we switched to drones and these little pocket things. Do we have them here?
Yeah, no, they're at my house.
Yeah, and I have to tell you, I love these little things.
Yeah.
Drone flying is
it's fun.
It's way more fun than running around with 2 kilos of camera.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah, it's just interesting though. A drone is like 250 grams,
Yeah.
and I can't fly it above these people legally.
Well,
but I can take
this
some
is
very
a-
heavy equipment.
Wait.
And
This
do-
is a C0, so a C0 class means you should avoid to fly over people. You can fly over people, but in this situation, I won't fly over people.
No.
No.
This is just me saying no.
And you probably couldn't get that.
It's enough that one complains and the police comes. And
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to do
So
that. Yeah. And these people are there to having fun, so why would I fly a drone?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
And I will say, by the way, a lot of them were quite happy looking up at the camera, and they knew they were being filmed. I mean, there was nothing sort of
most
ridiculous.
people don't care here.
No, they're very happy. And we filmed the car boot sale today, guys. So,
Yeah, we did.
Wow,
next week you get a car booty on site.
on site.
Yeah.
That's always fun.
Yeah, it is. So we're about done.
Yeah.
First one on this channel.
Yeah, it went great.
Yeah. How was it with the adverts? Did you guys have any adverts?
Oh yeah, any advertising on or not?
Yeah. We'll wait for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's important to know if they disrupt your viewing.
Oh, Springs, yeah. I remember my time when I was running through all the abandoned places back in Germany. It was a fun time, yeah.
No ads,
Yeah.
no ads, no ads.
Okay.
You guys are all using our
30
service,
seconds
right?
at the beginning.
Okay, so if they do it at the beginning, that's fine.
Uh,
Yeah, same Dutch. I'd use a blocker too, yeah.
Okay.
Would be me too, yeah.
Believe me, same.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. So we're good.
we're good.
Perfect.
We're good. Okay, we're good. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll
just
see.
at the start,
Yeah.
it seems to be the same case for everyone.
Yeah.
But that's better because it doesn't disturb anyone.
Great.
Very good. Okay, guys. See you in a fortnight.
2 weeks time.
2 weeks' time.
Have a
Ciao.
nice one, guys.
Bye.
Bye.